Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a simple cottage pie with some simple ingredients. Onions, a little bit of rosemary. So, yeah, just caramelise the onions. Add the butcher's beef mince. So beef mince for cottage pie, for shepherd's pie, lamb mince. And we just cut the carrot evenly. Add your diced carrots to the shepherd's pie. So this is your shepherd's pie. It's got onions, it's got a little bit of paprika, it's got a little bit of garlic, it's got some carrot, and it's got some butcher's beef mince. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So 500 mils of water, warm water, and a stock cube. We're going to whisk it together. This is going to be the base for the cottage pie. Add it gradually. So we're going to add the stock to the cottage pie mix and let it cook out for 4 to 5 minutes. I've just added some gravy granules just to thicken it up slightly. So the potatoes on for mashing. So I'm going to cook it and then I'm going to put it through a ricer so it's nice and smooth, and just add butter. No egg, no milk, just butter. So I put the potato through a ricer and it makes the potato more smoother. So we've added a knob of butter. We're going to add some salt and some pepper, and we're also going to add a touch of olive oil as well. Yep. So we're just mixing it slightly. It's got the salt, the pepper, olive oil, and a knob of butter in, and that's just for the top of the cottage pie. It smells amazing. So we're going to spoon the cottage pie into the mould, and then we're going to top with a rich mashed potato. It's going to be beautiful. So we're going to fork the mashed potato, just make it nice and fluffy. Get right to the edges, go round. So we've got a bit of a pattern. There we are. It's mashed potato done. I'm going to pop it in the air fryer or oven. So we popped it in the air fryer, and it's going to be in the 20 to 30 minutes on air fry. This is the finished cottage pie. So we served it with broccoli, mashed potato on top, and a rich cottage pie inside. It's absolutely brilliant. It's served with butcher's mince. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. See you in the next video.